Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Epson Workforce WF 3820DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1 or 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this gear. This printer can print auto double-sided printing gear. This printer is using ink cartridges. This is the ink cartridges. It's using 402 ink cartridges. 402 ink cartridges. And just gonna show you a bit of the information, and this is the information pack with the disk that contains the software. This printer, you need Epson Smart Panel to be able to connect this printer. You can also connect to Ready Print Flex, okay, and you save up to 70% on ink. I like to use pay as you go. So this printer is compact and multifunctional printer for businesses, for students to work. Like I said earlier, you can copy, scan and print with this gear and fax. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. Auto two-sided print, front paper input. This is the front paper input, and also LCD touch screen. Right now what we want to do is set up the ink, okay, install the ink. I'm going to turn this printer around, then we'll go from there to connect this. Okay, so this is the power cable. It goes in here. Just need to push it inside, okay, and plug it to the socket. Okay, once it's into the socket, now I'm going to turn this printer around. Okay, now the next thing we can do is also we can actually use, okay, turn display device, okay, to rotate this printer. Okay, with this display device you can move this around to various, okay, so you can move around with the display device. Okay, now what I want to show you, so right now this is moving, so the power cable, okay, from the back, if you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris, okay, and gently remove it, okay. And this is the power cable. The lance cable is on top. USB cable goes here. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. Check this out at Vinetech store, free delivery. So this is the power cable. The telephone line goes here, okay. So right now this is the ADF, automatic document feeder. This ADF automatic document feeder, okay, so you can stick the document and select from ADF, okay, so you can select from A4 and liter, okay, so this is the ADF, okay. Now going to turn it around. So you can rotate it. You can rotate it on each angle you want. I'm using, okay. So right now what I want us to do, okay, this is the scanner for this printer. Stick your document on top of the scanner and select the function you want. This is this LCD screen or touch screen if you like, okay. Switch this printer on and off from right here. And if you open it up, the paper tray is right here at the bottom. Okay, so just gonna bring out, so the paper tray is right here, so you can load various sizes of paper. A4 paper, 4x6. You just need to want to extend it, then you need to press this to extend it. Press to extend. Okay, likewise you can adjust it, so you can adjust any various side of paper, but you need to, once you load it, just close it this. Okay, so right now it's up. Lift it up. Okay, it's closed. Right now, so switch this printer on right here. This is the on and off button. So once the printer is switched on, okay, so what we need to do is press. Okay, so this is the on button. Okay, right now we need to select the language, okay, and it's automatically pick English language. Select, okay, United Kingdom. Okay, right now display daylight saving is off. Okay, so you want daylight saving, then you select on. Okay, daylight saving can select on and off. Okay, then you can set the date. Okay, so select the date. So you choose your date. After you're done, select OK. Okay, then you select the time format. Okay, so you can select 12 hours or 24 hours time format. Okay, now once you're done, select OK. So right now I start processing. Okay, so right now initialization start. Install the ink cartridges to set up that came with this printer. Okay, so right now what we need to do is, okay, this is information about the initialization. Initialization start. Okay, if you open this printer up, okay, so right now it's getting ready. Okay, and you can see the ink cartridges holder, black, okay, blue, red and yellow. Okay, so what we need to do is, first of all, so open up. So start with the black. So this is the black ink. Okay, so this is the black color. Okay, and so we go in with the black. Okay, so the black color is in. Okay, and do the same thing to blue. So the blue color is the next line. You just need to follow the pattern. Okay, so blue. Okay, and also as we also remove. So we need to remove here. Okay. Okay. So also make sure we remove. You can see asks us to remove it. Okay, so you need to remove it. Then for you to go in. Okay, it's in. So that's the black, and this is the blue color. Okay, blue goes in. Okay, the next on the line is my red. So the red color is the next in line. Okay, remove. Okay, and go in. Okay, the last but not the least is yellow. Okay, so pull, go in, yellow, push it in. Okay, once you've done everything, the next you need to do is gently close it. Okay, so right now is processing. So right now is initialization. Please wait, do not, it will take about 5 minutes for the initialization to be completed. So right now initialization is taking place. We just need to be patient. So it takes about 5 minutes for this. Okay, to be completed, and if everything goes okay, it will recognize the ink. So this is how to install the ink. I also want to mention that with this printer, okay, printing speed is 21 print per minute for black and 11 print for color. Two-sided printing is 12 print for black and 7 print for color. Scan resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi, which is very high. Print resolution up to 4800 by 2400 dpi, and this gear is compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 10 or later, Windows XP, XP3, and Windows XP Professional by 64 edition, Windows Server 2003, and Mac OS. Connection, like I mentioned, is high-speed USB cable, not included in the packaging. Wireless network connection, Wi-Fi direct, okay, and it's using ink cartridges 405 ink or 405 extra large is what it's using, okay. You can print up to 350 pages with black or 300 pages for color with 405 extra can give you up to 1100 pages for black and 1100 pages for color. Okay, so this printer deserves your attention. We are just right now waiting for the initialization to be completed. So this gear is very handy, and for businesses, this is Epson Workforce Pro 3820. This gear deserves your attention. It's very nice and powerful. Okay, here is the scanner for office work, for businesses. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just waiting for the ink that we install to be completed. Okay, so guys, this printer is very powerful. So it's going to take a few minutes. Okay, about 5 seconds. Okay. Here we go. Initialization is complete. Click OK. Okay, guys. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.